Having a car accident is bad enough. Being blamed for it when it's not your fault makes things much worse. That's when a good dash cam can be your electronic eyewitness to what really happened. A dash cam continually records what it sees, looping new video over the oldest footage. If it detects a crash, it will automatically lock that section of video so your evidence doesn't get overwritten. A dash cam can also be handy for capturing a memorable road scene that could be your next viral video. And the best models can help you in other handy ways as well. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will share the top 5 best dashcam 2022. Please watch to the end to make sure you get information on all of the products. Click on the links below in the description to learn more and purchase the products. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Garmin Dashcam 67W. This Garmin Dashcam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, our previous favorite model, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alert you to parking lot pranks. It looks like the 66W is still on sale for now, so it's a cheaper alternative that shares this dashcam's key specs. The Garmin Dashcam 67W truly excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use with a good set of useful features and which records top quality video. It's not the cheapest, but it is a top-notch dashcam that does everything without being needlessly complicated. Even the mounting system is super simple. It's a must-buy and deserves the #1 spot in this guide. 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 might just be the smallest dashcam on the market today, roughly the size of a car key fob. The camera records in 1080p Full HD resolution with HDR, is easy to set up, has an equally compact windscreen mount, and even features a voice control system. It's the perfect compact dashcam. If you want high-quality Full HD video with HDR from an incredibly compact design, you really should look no further. The voice controls are also very good. The mount is small and simple to use, and you can even pair up to 4 of these cameras together for synchronized recording right around your vehicle. 3. ThinkWare Q800 Pro. We're big fans of the ThinkWare Q800 Pro. It's a well-designed dashcam with a premium feel, great video, and a broad set of features. Those who just want a simple dashcam should look elsewhere and save some money. But drivers who see value in the Q800 Pro safety and assistance systems will benefit from spending the extra cash. The software isn't great, but that is broadly par for the dashcam course, and the Q800 Pro makes up for this shortfall with a neat design and top-notch video quality. It's not 4K, but the video quality is very good anyway, so that doesn't really matter in our book. 4. Nextbase 622GW. This is the big brother of the Nextbase 522GW, and is the best choice if you want a 4K dashcam without the need to have the dashboard device hardwired into your vehicle. The step up in video quality is noticeable, and there is the added feature of support for the Genius global system that you can use to give your precise location to first responders by just giving them 3 words and is a proven lifesaver. With an easy-to-use app that connects your smartphone to the 622GW over its own Wi-Fi network, you can see all your clips with ease and download those you want to save or review. 5. MiFIV 4K Dashcam. We were pleasantly surprised by the MiFIV. This 4K dashcam is well designed with a premium feel, a good smartphone application, and 4K video recorded through a 140-degree lens. There's 64 GB of integrated storage and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for transferring footage to your phone, and in a simple, discrete windscreen mount, plus parking mode with an optional hardwiring kit. And the MiFIV is all the dashcam most drivers will ever need. For a new company to launch its first product through a Kickstarter campaign, and for that product to be this good, is no mean feat. Don't be put off by MiFIV's lack of track record. This is a quality dashcam. Click on the links below in the description to learn more and purchase the products. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.